What's up, everybody? I'm back here with another video, and I told you I was gonna show you my upgrade of my bike, which is in this tiny little box. Basically, it's lights. They're neon strips, so it's not LEDs. You won't see dots everywhere aligned. It will be a straight strip of neon, and it's bendable. It's waterproof, and it'll be connected to the 12-volt system, and basically you can bend it any way you want. So I want to do it around the frame, around the fairings. I'll see how that goes while I'm doing it, but let's try an unboxing therapy review. I got this little screwdriver here. Let's try to open this, and then we just go like this, gang, and then we go like this, gang, gang. That's right. And here we are. See, that's it. This is all we got. So basically, these are the strips. They're a little bit thicker than my helmet. My helmet are only 3 mm. This is 5 mm, and basically each one is 5 meters long. So I ordered 10 meters, and this is what we're gonna put around. As you can see, it's bendable, and it connects to the 12-volt system. We're gonna disconnect this cable here, this little 12-volt thing, and connect it straight to the bike system, and that's how it's gonna work. I'll let you know how I do it on the bike. I got my friends here from Z-Clear. They're gonna help me put it on the bike. It's faster like this. Like if I do it by myself, it's gonna take ages. At least we have some friends here. It's gonna take half an hour, maybe an hour. Okay guys, so we are in the process of sticking on the wire. As you can see, it's nighttime. We've been trying to figure out how the hell do we stick this wire on the frame. This is plastic, the frame is metal, it's brushed metal with some type of paint on it, so nothing worked. Like we tried this for temporary use, also normal scotch tape, so we can actually temporarily put it on and see a design, what happens, and nothing worked, man. We even used the double-sided tape over there. We couldn't do it, and we even tried silicone. That doesn't work. Everything comes off. See the silicone gun? And we just tried everything, and you know, I just give it a shot and said, let's try to use super glue. It might damage the paint on the frame. It won't damage the plastic, because you can use that thing for that women use to remove their fingernail polish. Forgot the name of it, but like you just use that and it will come off. Not sure about here, that's the problem, but you know, I'm fine with it. You know, that's the whole point of putting this on. I want it to be on forever. So we started doing this now and just checking like slowly by slowly how to put it on. So it's coming all the way here down the fairing, which is all plastic. Started off from the frame here where the forks meet, and then now we're just going down all the way and see what happens. Yeah, quite an intensive little process. I thought it's gonna be like a 10-minute, 20-minute, maybe an hour max, but damn it, it's taking a while. Hard work, guys. Okay guys, so the right side of the bike is done. We put it all over each fairing and frame part. So basically we start from the top and went all around here, all the way down. So follow this little fairing part here, and then we went up to the bottom of this top fairing and just went all the way through, inside, through the hole, come back around, and that's the end of that. Quite a long journey with this right side. As you can see, the little white spots here, these are the super glue elements that we use because it has to have the glue power of riding fast. Over here, as you can see, I put a zip string. The reason why is when you put the seat on, when a rider sits on it, the seat actually touches the wire, so the super glue won't hold. So I wanted to sacrifice the holding basically, instead of just the beauty of it. So yeah, that happened. Other than that, it looks awesome. So let's turn on the light, turn off this light and turn on the light, and look at this baby. Holy crap. Oh my god, look at that. How cool is that? That looks amazing. Look at this. It's just like, if you have any big bike and at nighttime it just looks like a bike. It doesn't have any features showing because it's all dark and black. But when you have a light like this, it just shows the entire body of the bike, especially at night. You know, that's the seat right here. So when you put the seat, that's how the bike looks. It looks pretty amazing. It's got all these features. Oh my god. Can't wait to finish the other side. It's gonna take a while, but yeah, we're gonna do it. Tron bike. Basically made a Tron bike. With the lights on, they don't disturb the whole beauty of it. So we're gonna talk about how do we connect this wire to the system that we have here, the 12 volt system. So basically, each of these wires comes with a 12 volt DC inverter, and it comes with this little thing. You just cut it off, and you use these two wires to connect to the little light system here. So basically, where this is the light, not the main light, not the LED light that I'm using, but this connection here, and it will supply enough power to power the entire light. So basically, you cut this off, and this is what you come up with. And so the lead here, this little lead connects to the wire here. I don't want to pull it too hard because that's how we connected it here. You can see the other one over there. So basically, yeah, it connects to these inverters and has these two wires, and these two wires will connect to the light here. So basically what happens is, when you connect these two wires over here, the light, when you turn on the bike, the lights will turn on automatically. So what I want to do is make a switch just like I did here. I don't want this automatic turn on, just in case the cops have a problem with this type of light. So you can have a switch to turn it off, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a switch here. Maybe I put it there or something like that, and then, oh, cops, I turn it off, and the cops don't have an issue while the lights are still running. Here we are on the left hand side of the bike with the EL wire. So just finishing the same pattern as we did here, we're going to do it here. And this guy is awesome. He's doing his great job helping me. And yeah, so he's finishing this while we are working on a switch, like I told you, for the cops. Make sure they don't catch me or anything, or give me any trouble. And so basically, we are working on this wire, and this box here that connects to this wire of the little light that we have in the front is not the main light, and we added a fuse. So this fuse, like if anything goes wrong, it will go wrong here. It will not affect the wires, so that we don't have to do the whole job again if anything goes wrong. So this is Jay, and he's helping me out. He's very cool at doing all these little things, and I feel freaking lucky to have him. This would be like more than I expected it would be doing by myself, guaranteed. So definitely needed help. So Jay right now is gonna solder all the cables right there. He's gonna solder them together, and then we attach this to the solder unit, to the fuse. We are soldering the last connections of the 12 volt parts for each EL wires. Basically, I'm using 2 EL wires. Each is 5 meters long. So we use the right side 5 meters. Now we use another left side 5 meters, and we use this fuse, this 12 volt fuse. All right, so we're gonna test it out, see if it works here. Okay, so we turn on the lights, You know, this is the turning on sound of the bike, and here we are. Everything works amazing with the switch that we have. Boom, the lights turn on. Okay, so now all we have to do is waterproof everything, make it beautiful, nicely put in back behind the headlight so that nothing shakes or anything like that, and everything's waterproof. And that's the end of that. Okay guys, it's done. It's freaking done. So finally, man, it took a couple of hours. So basically it's connected, everything is behind the main light, everything's connected, they're connected through here. If you can see, all these wires are connected there to the light that we were talking about before, and everything is nicely connected here. We're gonna have to do a little bit of a, you know, double check with the glue so that, you know, high speed mainly here, so that, you know, it doesn't come off. You know, so this is basically a first prototype. Let's see what happens. Well done, man. Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing. Good teamwork, all three of us just freaking work on this thing. Right, so I want to say thank you to P-Fon. Awesome job, man. You freaking awesome. And thank you to Jay, fucking amazing kid. He helped me so many times with so many lights. So let's see what happens now. Turn on the bike, and the switch is right here. So let's turn on the switch. Bam! Holy crap, look at that. That looks freaking cool, man. Like, if you look at it from far away, it's like a race bike right now. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. That is freaking awesome. Oh my god, look at that. From the front, looks like two little bat eyes over there. Like, what? Wow, what an amazing job. Look at that. We use zip ties here and over there. The reason is, I'll show you in a little while. Oh my god, that's just freaking awesome. That is just freaking awesome. So let's put the seat. So the reason I put these little zip ties is because the seat will touch it once a rider sits on it. So I'll show you why we put them, for reinforcement. So basically it doesn't hide too much the wire. Then when you sit, you know, you move your legs all the time. I personally, I keep changing position, comfortable riding, fast speed riding. So this moves all the time. So what I want to show you is, here is where it moves all the time, and I don't want to show, like, I don't want to move the glue because it will definitely move. That's why I put zip ties as reinforcement. As you can see, he sits on it and he keeps moving. Yeah, so you see, like, it will always move. That's like a little trick you gotta do to keep it there, reinforce so it doesn't move around the wire. Well done for the first job. One mistake we did, I didn't tell the boys, is that these screws are meant for the luggage compartment, like the luggage case on the back, which the frame attaches to. So what I did was, I told them, guys, don't put too much glue, so that, like, I can lift this up and attach it to the these 2 points here. So that is how we finished it. Looks freaking cool, man. Oh my god. ขอบคุณมากครับ Awesome job, P-Fon เก่งมาก PJ เก่งมาก Super team, Z-Clear, come here if you want to do electric light. อยู่เอามีไฟของรถของมอไซค์อยู่มาที่นี่เลย นี่เป็นทีมดีสุดเก่งสุดจริงๆเลย Alright guys, see you later in the next video. Boom!